Welcome to Trendster.
Let's talk about something that's way more serious than the latest TikTok trend, climate change. Yeah, you've heard it all before, but stick with me, because this isn't your grandma's climate change lecture. We're talking resource wars, folks. Think Mad Max, but instead of gasoline, it's water and energy that everyone's fighting over. Scary, right? It's closer than you think. Our planet is getting hotter, like, way hotter. The last decade was the hottest on record, and 2023 is on track to be the warmest year ever. Extreme weather is becoming the new normal, floods one day, droughts the next. And guess what? This messes with everything, especially the stuff we need to survive, water and energy. Imagine this, you turn on the tap, and nothing comes out. Or worse, the water's contaminated because the rising sea levels have pushed salt water into the freshwater supply. Sounds like a dystopian movie, right? Wrong. This is a reality for millions of people already, and climate change is making it worse. Glaciers are melting, bye-bye, fresh water. Rain patterns are all messed up, and droughts are lasting longer. This isn't just about watering your lawn, it's about survival. And when water gets scarce, people get desperate. That's when conflict can erupt. By 2025, 1.8 billion people are projected to live in absolute water scarcity. Now, let's talk energy. We need it for everything, from charging our phones to keeping the lights on. But climate change is throwing a wrench into the energy game too. Extreme weather can knock out power grids, leaving entire cities in the dark. Plus, the demand for energy is skyrocketing as the world's population grows. And while we desperately need to switch to clean energy, solar, wind, the whole shebang, the transition isn't happening fast enough. This creates a perfect storm for conflict. Nations are fighting over the remaining fossil fuels, and the race for renewable energy resources is heating up. In 2022, global energy demand increased by 3%, putting even more strain on existing resources. So, what happens when you combine water scarcity and energy shortages? You get geopolitical chaos. Countries are scrambling to secure access to these vital resources, leading to tension and even conflict. Imagine nations fighting over the last remaining water sources or battling for control of energy-rich regions. It's not a pretty picture. And the worst part? Climate change acts like a fuel on the fire, making everything worse. Climate refugees, people forced to leave their homes because of environmental disasters, are on the rise, putting even more strain on already limited resources. The UN estimates that climate change could displace up to 1.2 billion people by 2050. What can you do? Yes, you. Okay, I know this sounds depressing, but don't despair. There's still hope. First, we need to acknowledge that climate change is real and that it's a serious threat. Second, we need to demand action from our leaders. Tell them we want clean energy, sustainable water management, and international cooperation. Third, we can make changes in our own lives. Conserve water, reduce our energy consumption, and support businesses that are committed to sustainability. Every little bit helps. Climate change isn't just about melting ice caps and cute polar bears, although they're important too. It's about the future of humanity. It's about access to essential resources, it's about geopolitical stability, and it's about survival. We need to wake up and realize that this isn't some distant problem, it's happening now. So, let's get informed, get involved, and demand a better future. The clock is ticking. Remember, stay informed, keep up to date on the latest climate news and research. Participate in climate marches, contact your representatives, and support organizations working on climate solutions. Reduce your carbon footprint, conserve resources, and adopt sustainable practices in your daily life. Together, we can create a more sustainable future for all.